What's going on, people? Back at it again with another amazing video. Today's video, I'm going to talk about the new update of Morph TV. Morph TV seems like it's going in the direction of being a standalone APK. Yes, it's a clone of Morpheus TV, but to be honest with you, with the updates and the progress I see this APK going, it seems like it's kind of drifting off on its own. But like I said, it is a clone still of Morpheus TV. So enough talking, and let's go into the new update. Okay. The new update is 171. As you see here, auto update has been fixed. The option, also default, a bunch of stuff here. Okay, and a new logo as well. So hit OK. As you already know, it has a has the Morpheus TV look. You have your movies, TV shows, downloads, which I never suggest, and your settings. So we're going to go to settings. See your player, autoplay, subtitles, providers, sources, downloads, variants, and notifications. So you could go into the players, you know what I mean, and you could basically set them up as, I would just leave them the way it is. To be honest with you, I wouldn't mess with it. And autoplayer, you can click the autoplayer. Subtitles, you can enable them. Just hit that right there. But I keep them disabled. And providers, you see there, maximum of 10. And then you have all your providers here. Pretty much. Okay? And then you got your sources. And you have your downloads. Then you have this thing here. I keep that disabled. I wouldn't activate it. And your notifications. Okay? To be honest with you, you can put your main notification, so when something comes up, you'll get some, a new movie or something like that, but I just keep it off. But anyways, and just to show you the info, your newest one is 171 update. And here goes the about. It gives you a description. Back out of there. But let me show you, if you guys don't know about Morpheus or Morph TV. So like I said, same thing as the Morpheus TV. It's nothing different. The only thing, it has new logos. It has, better links. And it like I said, it does have the sense of going on its own, but it is a clone. Don't get it twisted. It is a clone. Okay, there you go. Very simple to use. Click. You see how it has the Morpheus feel. So let it load up. It should come up here. Depending on your internet speed too, it sometimes is faster than others. Give it some time. I always had issues with this equalizer too, trying to find some links. So give it a second. And the other thing is, if it doesn't find links or sources, to be honest with you, just back out of it, go back into it, and it should be good. But I'm having issues with, be honest with you, with my Wi-Fi, because it's storming out this direction. So let's see if we'll choose a different movie. Give it a second here. Oh, there you go. It actually started. That's right. I forgot. I'm sorry, people. I have the autoplay on. I just said it, and I was just talking about it. So we're going to go here, to autoplay. I'm going to turn that off. Okay. Back out of here. Back out of here. Okay. Go back to movies. As you see, autoplay works really well. As you've seen there. So let's go into another one. When you don't have autoplay on, this is going to happen. It's going to fire you on links. I'll give it a second. There you go. You see how with autoplay, it'll just basically go straight into the movie. And the way you'll do it here. Now, the other thing is, some people say, well, what's up with the green ones? To be honest with you, the green ones, let me get a second here. Oh, back. Sorry about that. I did notice one thing. When it is uploading, it does lag a little bit. Did notice that. Okay, when it's uploading. So I suggest just let it allow it to upload the files, links first, and then you should be good. But anyways, like I was saying, with the green ones, you probably get a stronger stream. Let me go back up here. Yeah, you'll probably get a stronger stream, but to be honest with you, I just go for the one that says 1080 or the best quality in the picture. Okay? So let's just back out of that. So back out of this. Okay. And like I said, it's fairly easy to do to watch the movie. I forgot to show you how it's set up. All you would do is you just select the link and it'll play up. But let me just show you real quick. You go there, you just click the link, and then boom, the movie will just start. Allow it to load, and it should be okay. Okay, there you go. Just back out of that. Now with the TV shows, it's pretty much the same setup. You go to TV shows, you go to trending. You can also search. Go to Big Bang Theory. You have your seasons. Pick your season you want to watch. You pick your episode. It's pretty much the same way, you know. Pull up a link, but if you do turn on the, it didn't find any sources, but, or actually, I think it was for. Let me see, give it a second. Yeah, if you have it on autoplay, it'll automatically start up, so you don't have to wait for these links and you don't have to manually choose it, which I think is a pretty cool feature. But, anyways. Sometimes it does have its issues, which it's like that in all apps. Nothing's perfect, but this app is pretty good. So let me back out of this. Back out of, yeah, see, couldn't find any, and I know there is, so that's one of the issues that I do have with this program, or this thing here. So that's not a problem. So what I'll do is just back out of there, and back out of there. So you also could watch, hit search and search for your show. But anyways, that's the Morph TV. Now let me show you how you get this. Okay, what you're gonna do is download your FileLink program or app. If you don't have FileLink, the links are down below of how to get it and how to use it. It's real simple to use and real easy to get. And for the individuals that have FileLink, let's just get into it. And if you already downloaded it and you're all ready to go, open your FileLink, and you're going to be prompted this screen. You're going to enter this code in, 645-39676. Once you guys have that code in, you're going to hit continue. Okay? And from this point, that's just a welcome screen, just back out of it. From this point, you're going to scroll down. Okay, you're going to scroll down, keep going, and you're going to go into the movies and TV show section, and just keep going, because I got a lot on this. And there you go. You see how it says Morph TV? I have the newest version, the 171, and when I do upload a new version, I put the date showing you that's the day I uploaded the program to the FileLink store. So allow it to download. Once it downloads, that download button is going to turn to a play button. And there you go. You're going to hit that play button, and you're going to hit install. Once it installs and it's complete, it's going to say done or open, and you're all ready to go. Okay? Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share the video, as well as my channel. And also check out my support group for this channel, because sometimes there's questions that are a little tricky to answer, as in like I need more detail, and it's better to get on a best one-on-one base. And if you don't have Facebook to do that, try the Twitter. I have a Twitter account as well. Or if you have neither, or you just don't want to deal with that, just leave a comment below and I'll try my best to give you a fairly good answer, or somebody else can. Okay? Hope you guys enjoy it and have a great evening.